Tired of changing availability in every calendar one by one? What if you could set your working hours just once and have it applied everywhere instantly? Hello everyone, this is Hasnan from Xort Logix, and today I'm walking you through the brand new schedules feature in GHL, a game changer for managing availability across users and calendars. Schedules allow you to create a usable centralized template for staff availability, including weekly hours, time zones, and date-specific overrides. Instead of editing each calendar individually, you attach one schedule to any calendar end user. This means less manual work and fewer errors. Here's what you gain. Manage every user's working hours from one place. No more piecemeal updates. Reuse the same schedule across multiple calendars and services. Set a built-in default schedule so every new user is instantly ready for bookings. Still flexible. If a specific calendar needs special hours, you can use a custom schedule just for that one. And now let me show you how it's done step by step. Go to Calendars, Calendar Settings, and Availability. Select the staff member and click Create Schedule. Name the schedule, set weekly hours and time zone, and add date-specific overrides if needed. Use Active On dropdown to attach it to the relevant calendar. Save and done. From now on, that schedule controls booking across any attached calendar. And from the schedule list, you can set a schedule as default for future users, rename, duplicate, or delete schedules as long as they are not active. Switch which schedule a calendar uses or create a custom schedule inside a specific calendar when needed. If you have existing calendars with custom availability settings, GHL will automatically transition them into custom schedules. So there's no downtime, no manual rework. And yes, if one calendar needs unique hours, for example, weekend tournaments or special services, you can still create a custom schedule that is attached only to that calendar. Let's cover a few quick FAQs. What happens to the existing bookings when you update a schedule? Existing bookings stay unaffected. Only future availability changes. Does overlapping occur if a staff member appears on multiple calendars? No, because all calendars reference the same schedule. Occupied times are automatically removed from the availability. Can you import schedules via API? Not yet. Currently managed inside the app. API support is coming later maybe. So if you're managing multiple calendars, staff members, or services in GHL, this schedules update is going to save you hours and headaches. At Xort Logix, we're already building these into client systems. Want us to help you set it up? Let's talk and build your next automation together.